Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Touted as an ultra-luxury RV with hypercar performance, the fictitious 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is a bold conceptual leap that combines the renowned American luxury brand's developing design language and technological prowess with an unprecedented focus on thrilling driving dynamics for a recreational vehicle. By combining the roomy comfort of a luxury RV with the exhilarating powers of a performance machine, this hypothetical invention would seek to redefine the very definition of mobile affluence. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome will surely draw attention from the outside thanks to its design, which strikes a balance between powerful presence and sophisticated elegance. With its precise surface, athletic stance that belies its enormous size, and crisp lines, one could expect a radical extension of Cadillac's art and science design philosophy. Signed, Cadillac's front and back fascias would be defined by vertical lighting features, possibly using cutting-edge LED or even OLED technology. The appearance would be gently shaped by aerodynamic considerations, which are essential for a car that promises hypercar performance, lowering drag and enhancing stability at higher speeds. Exquisite detailing, custom wheel designs, and premium finishes would highlight its ultra-luxury status. This Cadillac Motorhome's interior would be its real ultra-luxury focal point. On par with the best penthouses or private jets, the finest materials would be used to create each surface and fixture, including exotic wood veneers, hand-stitched leathers, polished metals, and perhaps even cutting-edge composite materials for a chic, contemporary look. A state-of-the-art gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a lavish master suite with a spa-like ensuite bathroom, and large living areas with custom-designed furnishings are all likely to be included in the carefully planned layout for maximum comfort and functionality. Modern technology would be smoothly incorporated throughout, providing individualized concierge services, cutting-edge security systems, and simple control over lighting, climate, entertainment, and connectivity. Large panoramic windows or perhaps movable roof parts for an outdoor experience would enhance the penthouse vibe. The most innovative feature, hypercar performance, refers to a chassis and powertrain designed to provide handling and acceleration much beyond what is possible in a typical RV. This might involve a specially designed high-performance electric drivetrain that produces significant horsepower and torque instantly, possibly utilizing technology from Cadillac's performance departments. On the other hand, a powerful internal combustion engine that has been fine-tuned, such a twin-turbo V8, would offer an intense driving experience. Active aerodynamics, adjustable air suspension, and advanced braking technologies that can control the vehicle's size and speed would all be incorporated into the chassis. The driving dynamics would strive for an unexpectedly high degree of accuracy and responsiveness, providing the driver with an enjoyable experience while preserving the highest level of passenger comfort. Ultra-high net worth individuals who want unwavering luxury and thrilling performance, even in their leisure activities, would be the vehicle's target market. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome would be more than just a means of transportation. It would be a statement, a moving example of exceptional engineering, unmatched luxury, and the bold quest for automotive greatness. Although it is a conceptual stretch, it attempts to combine the heart-pounding excitement of a hypercar with the roomy grandeur of a luxury house, pushing the limits of what a motorhome can be.